Materials required are compass, sketch pen, scale, protractor to draw an angle. So let's start. Of 40 degree, take a ruler and draw a horizontal line and label it as B and C. After this, take a compass of any length and take B as the center and draw an arc as shown here. Now, place the compass on new center and cut the arc as shown. Next, without changing the length of compass and using this intersection point, cut another arc as shown. After this, by placing a compass on the point, cut the arc on the previous arc as shown. At last, using these 2 points as a center, cut the arcs as shown. In the end, draw a line passing through this intersection point from endpoint B of the line segment. This will be the required 40-degree angle. You can confirm it by using a protractor. To construct an angle of 50 degree, first we need to draw a line segment and label the endpoints as A and B. Now take a compass and adjust it to some length. Then cut the arcs on the horizontal line from A as shown here. Label these points as P, Q and R. After this, adjust the compass to the length between point A and point R. Using point R as the center, cut the arc as shown. Next, without changing the length of the compass, cut another arc using point Q as the center as shown. In the end, draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A of the line segment. The angle made by this line is 50 degree. You can cross-check by using a protractor. To construct a 80-degree angle, first draw a line segment A and B. Now, with the help of a ruler, extend the line to left side from point A. Label it as C. After this, take a compass and adjust it to a suitable length and using this point A as a center, cut an arc as shown here. Label it as D. Next, without changing the length of the compass and using point D as the center, cut an arc. Label it as E. Now, with the help of the compass, measure C and E. Now, place the compass on point A and mark an arc. In the same way, now place on B and mark an arc. In the end, draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A of the line segment. The angle made by this line is 80 degree. You can cross-check by using a protractor. To draw an angle of 70 degree, first we need to draw a line segment A and B. Before constructing a 70 degree angle, we need to construct a 90 degree angle. Using point A as a center, draw an arc as shown here. After this, without changing the length of the compass and using the intersection point as a center, cut the arc on the previous arc as shown. After this, without changing the length of the compass and using these 2 points as a center, cut arcs as shown. And passing through this point from endpoint A of the line segment, you will get a 90 degree. Without changing the length of the compass and using this intersection point as a center, cut the arc as shown. the end, draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A of the line segment. This line is inclined at the required 70-degree angle. You can cross-check by using a protractor.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye!